And I'm Barak Dunayer, and both of us are with Halstead.
And today we'd like to introduce you to 140 Riverside Drive. This is one of the most distinctive buildings along the Hudson River.
And right after this spectacular staircase that you saw Allison coming down from, I want you to pay attention to this magnificent, huge entry foyer. It's got great scale. It's got a coat closet here. It's got another closet there, a bedroom here, which we'll talk about later. And you're led immediately into this magnificent view, Hudson River and Riverside Park.
Yes, right here you have these gorgeous, picturesque views of both Riverside Park and the Hudson River. And this beautifully open living space includes this living room as well as a dining area over here.
Again, with the west river views, and it's got a southern window as well. You got room here for 10, 12 people. I'm having a great time.
And right off this living area is a nice powder room. And here to your right is a fabulous kitchen with a window.
Well, the fourth bedroom can be used as an office, as a den, a guest room, or just a bedroom. It's got two magnificent closets. One of them is a walk-in, another smaller one. Great view of the park, and an ensuite bathroom.
As we head up to the second floor, I definitely want to point out this grand circular staircase, which is really one of the centerpieces to this apartment. You come up and then you are in this gorgeous landing, which is extra wide.
And Allison, right off the landing here, we are getting into one of the 3 bedrooms upstairs. Again, spectacular views. I just want to stand here for a second and admire this. This is absolutely stunning, would you say?
Absolutely gorgeous. And directly next to the bedroom you've just seen is this gorgeous corner bedroom, which has direct Hudson River views as well as Riverside Park views. The millwork is gorgeous.
And right here, we have what's called a soundproof room. And let me close the door.
And down this hall is the 3rd bedroom on this floor, which is the 4th bedroom in this duplex.
As if this magnificent apartment was not enough, this building, the Normandy, has got spectacular amenities. And it all starts right here on this amazing roof deck with 360 degrees views of everything you want to see in Manhattan. And Allison, what else do we have here in the Normandy?
We also have a children's playroom, a laundry room, bike storage, and you have a 24-hour doorman in both towers.
Allison, this is one gigantic roof deck. I can spend some time here.
Yes, but Barak, this is not the whole roof deck.
No way.
There's even more.
No way.
There's even more.
All
Come
right.
this way, follow us. This space right here.
Allison, I've been on a lot of roof decks, but this is probably the biggest one I've ever seen. It's massive.
Yes, I would not argue with that.
I feel like I'm in Central Park. And once again, I'm Barak Dunayer.
And I'm Allison Draper, and thank you for joining us today on a tour of 140 Riverside Drive. If you have any questions or would like a private viewing of this apartment, please contact us.
See you later.